Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's half windshield on the all-new RZR PRO XP. So the first thing you're going to do when you get your windshield from SuperATV is remove it out of the box, lay it up on the machine. You want to make sure it fits properly. Once you've done this, you want to go ahead and remove the protective film. We've already done this. So we're going to want to grab our bulb seal, and we're going to get on the lower portion of the windshield. We're going to run it all the way around, follow all the contours across the right here on the opposite side. Go ahead and grab our bulb seal here, and we'll start here on the opposite side. Just firmly press it into all of the contours all the way along the windshield. Then once you got right here to this point, you'd go ahead and cut off your excess. Go back through, make sure the bulb seal is fully seated, and we're going to go ahead and lay it up onto the machine. You want to make sure that your air dam is facing out. Then we're going to grab our heavy-duty SuperATV clamps that are provided in the kit. We're going to wrap the strap around the cage and then feed it through the hole in the half windshield. Then we'll run it through the clamp just like that, and you just want to have just a little bit of this side poking through, and then you'll want to push the strap through as well as the clamp. Make sure it's lined up how it's supposed to be. Push down on it, and then you'll want to firmly secure the clamp. We'll go ahead and get it all lined up on this opposite side as well. We'll take our clamp, feed it through, slide it through the windshield. And there you have it. In a matter of a few minutes, we've got our SuperATV half windshield installed on this new Pro XP. For more information on this half windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.